What is a marker interface? Marker interface is a very nice interface for marking. You're doing just a marker interface, and you can name it anything. You can name it, like, for example, pin handler. Let's call it that. And basically, this interface is being used for sake of pinning something. So, for example, we have implemented a pin handler in this cat. And by the way, pin handler has no body, no method, no anything. But when it comes to the main here, and let's say we're creating some couple of objects for this cat. Let's multiply this one. And why do we yeah, we need a body. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this one just for the sake of simplicity. I'm just gonna create a new cat here. Okay, so cat 2 and cat 1, and let's say if cat is instance of, and like instance of directly pin handler, then we're gonna do something here. And this is basically always true because we have cat. But the moment that we have, for example, object which is a kind of a different approach, this one on runtime, so we're gonna be, or basically let's do something here better. So let's hide this one here. Let's copy this and say private handle pins, and the pin is gonna be post object. And let's say if the object is instance of, and I need to, let's say, void, and if the object is instance of pin handler, then it's gonna be doing this is a pin handler. And otherwise we're gonna be, let's say, do nothing. Yeah, do nothing. So this is the idea. So now if we made it like another let's say bank account a new bank account, which is gonna be initial balance is 12. And if we try to handle pins, I'm not sure why it does not, yeah, because it needs to be static. So handle pins cat 1, cat 2, yeah, we need to make it like a couple of times, cat 2, and eventually account. So if we try to run it now, we will find that due to the fact that we have pin handler here, this pin handler is making this kind of condition to be true. So now we have this pin handler. Okay, so we need to print line, yeah. So just to make it a bit clearer, so we'll find that this is pin handler, which is related to first cat, and then second cat, and then the account. This is just a marker interface for just marking, hey, you need to do something in case of that, if you're instance of that kind of interface. Yeah, so hopefully you're this kind of making sense now.